Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film and share with you guys what my favorite products of January were. So I'm just going to jump straight in. I don't have too many products, but I also don't want this video to be super long. So the first three products I just recently did a full review on. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below for you guys if you are interested. And they are some Kylie cosmetic products. So I have one blush, one highlighter, and one bronzer. The blush is Baddie on the Block, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually wearing it on my cheeks. Absolutely love this blush. It is super pigmented. It's just, I don't know, I just really like it. I've really been into blushes lately, and that is my go-to blush. The next product is her highlighter or highlighter, and this is in Queen Drip. I'm also wearing it on my cheekbones and pretty much anywhere that's really highlighted. That's what I have on. It is just, it's so good. It's so blinding. If you don't want a super blinding highlight, a little goes a very long way, but I don't know, for some reason with that highlighter, I'm just really into the whole blinding everyone with it. And her bronzer that I have is Toasty, so this is what it looks like. It is pretty light, but I only use this for my nose area, just to contour my nose. I do get a little carried away and heavy-handed from time to time, and I typically use Benefit's Hoola bronzer. That's what I have on today, but usually I kind of mix this with that just to kind of, you know, get that perfect shade. But I can use this alone, and it is just a really nice, subtle, you're not gonna kind of go out of control contour for my skin tone. So I've really been liking this, and this is, they're all three of these products are very pigmented, and it's just very pigmented. Yeah. So I also have three brushes here, and they're all from Morphe, and I've been using these for the past couple of months non-stop. They are hands down brushes that I cannot do my makeup without. So the first one is my nose contouring brush, and this is the Morphe E62. This is what it looks like. I don't have enough good things to say about this brush. It's just so good. It's definitely worth trying. I've used so many different nose contouring brushes, and this is hands down the most inexpensive and best nose contouring brush ever. So good. The next brush is my Morphe M502. This is such a good blending brush. There's nothing else to say. It's just really good, really affordable. And this brush, I have been waiting so long to get my hands on this brush because I was looking for a really good brush to cut my crease when I was trying to get better with whole cut creases, and everyone was recommending this one. Every time I went to the store, they were sold out. Finally got my hands on it. I know why it's sold out. It's amazing. It's so good. And I don't only use it for cutting up my crease, I use it to pack products onto my lid, and it's just so good. And this is the M224. Really good. And the next product I want to talk about is not what's right here, but it's what's inside here. So if you guys have been watching my video for a while, you know I talked about how much I've been loving, and yeah, I've been loving Harush's YouTube channel. She just gives you such great tips and tricks, and her techniques are just so good. She's pretty much just giving you everything you want to know, and it's on YouTube, so you know. So in here is my own Harush's secret baking powder, but the only difference is my shades are different than the ones that she's created. I pretty much just use all the powders that she did in different shades, mix it up together, and I've been using it since that video came out. Maybe about 3 or 4 days after the video came out, I've been using this non-stop, and yeah, I haven't reached for any other powders. Everything in here is pretty much all I need. And if I want to bake with this, I can. It doesn't make my under eyes or my face look really ashy. And if I just want to do a light set with no baking, this is also really good. So if you haven't watched that video, you should probably watch it because I'm obsessed with this powder. The next product I want to talk about is this guy right here. This I got in December's BoxyCharm box. This bro powder and the little brow gel, so good. This is a really nice dark chocolatey brown, and these right here are just so good. So I pretty much just use these two right here, and this is a wax. I don't use the wax, but these two right here are perfect. I usually go in with the darker shade, and then I add a little bit of the brown just to warm up my brows a little bit. And then this is a really nice chocolatey brown, so if I need a little bit more warmth, it is perfect. I didn't think I was going to like this powder as much as I do, but I've been reaching for it nonstop, and I've just really, really been loving it. Yeah. Speaking about brows, I've been really, really into soap brows. This is the soap that I use. I think it was Katie. I saw her talk about this, and she said it was just a really, really good soap for the brows. And I wasn't really into soap brows, but I found a coupon for this, and this is kind of pricey. I think this little bar is $8, but I've been using this nonstop, and it definitely helped my brows, and it doesn't even look like I used anything at all. Little goes such a long way, and I've just really, really been into soap brows. And I usually, when I'm sitting here and I can't run back and forth to where the sink is, I usually just use my Mario Badescu rose water spray just to kind of dampen my spoolie and just kind of comb it through, and it's seriously just so good. But I know there are other soaps that you can use. I know a lot of people talk about the pear soaps. This I just got because I found a coupon. I don't know if I would repurchase this, but I also don't think I'm gonna run out of this anytime soon, so who knows? Who knows? Okay, and the last product I want to talk about are the lashes that I'm wearing on my eyes. These are Cocoa Lashes in Queen Bee. These are my last pair, and this is what a nice, clean, fresh pair looks like. The ones that I have on my eyes, I've been wearing for a really, really long time. It's about time for them to go in the garbage, but I've been cleaning them and, you know, taking care of them. As long as you take care of your lashes, you can pretty much use them as long as they don't fall apart. But the ones that I'm wearing on my eyes are a bit shorter than the ones that you get, and I had to cut them down, and that wasn't intentional. I was cleaning the glue off, and I guess I got a little too rough with it, and a chunk of it came off. So instead of throwing it away, I cut the other side to match, and that's what I'm wearing on my eyes, and I think they look pretty good. Yeah. But they're just really comfortable. They're that perfect amount of drama that I just really like without being too overboard. But I don't mind overboard lashes, but these are just my favorite ones, and I can't stop wearing them. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my January favorites. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the Harouche Secret Baking Powder and what products you've really been liking for January. I like knowing, and maybe it's something I can also try next month or, you know, in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, and I will see you guys in my next video.